Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make something called cloud eggs. Eggs are fun and making this is going to make you have so much fun that you'll really want to impress the family and make these. So you just take two bowls and the bowl that you're going to be beating the eggs in needs to be very of the right size. It can't be too large because if it's large then the egg will just go flat. It can't be too small because then you need enough space to whip up the egg. So use a medium sized nice stainless steel or a glass bowl, very important. Now when you separate your egg, I've already cracked this egg here. You see, let it drop like this. The other half you get rid of it and use your fingers if you don't have an egg separator. What you have to make sure of is that none of this yolk bit falls into the egg white. If that happens, your egg white is not going to beat. It's extremely important. Make sure that the egg white is separated without even a speck of the yolk. And now this egg white will need to be left here at room temperature. When you remove the egg from the refrigerator, it's really easy to separate the egg. Now we will separate the eggs and we will wait for at least half an hour for it to come down to room temperature and then beat at the egg with a whisk. Take a nice full blown whisk like this and beat the egg in one motion. Don't go zigzag and make eights and things like that. Just keep beating. Keep beating. You can also, once you find the air incorporating and the egg is getting slightly more stiffer, do not add any salt. What helps is to add a little bit, just like a few drops of vinegar into it. The acidity will help that egg white to hold stability and beat faster. So just keep whisking like this until you get firm, stiff peaks of white. Beating with your hands is really good. If you haven't had time to go to the gym, you'll realize you'll build up some good biceps. And you are done when you reach a consistency like this, where it is nice and firm and it won't even fall off the whisk. This is when you take a tray. You can line it with parchment paper, or if you have a non-stick baking tray, just line it with a little bit of oil or butter and place your beaten egg on the tray like I'm going to show you now. Okay, so let me show you how to place this on the baking tray. You just need to slide it out. This I'm doing one egg, and then make a depression in the middle, and that's where we are going to put our yolks. There, just like that. Okay, so now into the cloud eggs we are going to add one yolk in this depression that we made. And put it back in the oven to cook. For around 10 minutes. So the eggs are already ready and I'm taking it out of the oven, and you can see they are these beautiful little puffs of egg that have been baked in the oven, and they're a lot of fun because they're soft, they're cottony and very light because there's not a drop of oil in this. It's just been baked in the oven. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of peri peri over it. You can sprinkle some pepper, or you can go ahead and do some cheese, whatever you like. I'm doing peri peri and a little bit of coriander leaves. There you go. Beautifully made cloud egg You can see it's so light and fluffy and easy to take off. There, breakfast made and really pretty and fun.